like yesterday, today we're going to talk about patterns. So let's say the I can statement with me. I can identify missing numbers in a pattern and determine the rule. Alright, let's go over our vocabulary. A rule is what?
How the number changes in a pattern.
The pattern is
A list of numbers that follow the
certain
sequence.
And a sequence is an orderly set of numbers arranged in a way that follows a rule.
I said the rule. A rule.
And then alternate every other number
in
a sequence.
You might want to erase the line.
I know. Alright, let's start with the number 4 and multiply by 3 until there are 4 numbers. So what, I already have it started, so we started with 4. So now what do?
We add on the 4.
So we do 4, what? 4?
4 times 4. 5.
4 times
2.
we multiply by
3. 4 times 3.
3. So what would our next number be? What's 4 times 3?
4. Oh yeah.
Here's some whiteboard markers. Four times 3. We're doing a little review of what we did yesterday with the
We keep on
patterns.
going on.
Oh, you can. So what's our next number?
12 times 3.
So now we do what, Mariana?
12 times 3.
Do turtle head. Yeah, you can do turtle head. Or no, you can do Brittany. Mariana, we only doing 4 numbers, so you are already done.
Oh. No, I did one.
All right, Brittany, what's the next number? What'd you get?
36.
36.
Oh, I am done now. Look, yeah, that's why I'm going on 108. So.
No, that was, we're only doing it to 4 numbers.
Ah, okay. Well, okay, I'll do this one.
So then our next step would be, after we have 36, would be what, Mariana, what do we do? 36
times
times
3, which is 108. I like you with this one.
All right, quickly then.
Yay!
So we followed our rule to get our sequence.
Yes. Was it not the answer? Yeah.
Yep, we're going to quickly review it because we have a worksheet we're going to do together.
Oh.
Alright, so this one is a little bit different. This is kind of like what our worksheet's going to be like. What is the rule? So let's look at our numbers. Are they getting bigger or smaller?
Bigger. Bigger.
And how many are they getting bigger by?
3s.
3s. Are my timesing 3s, adding 3s?
And you can tell that you're timesing.
I'm timesing 3?
Yeah,
Because 3 times 3 is what?
3 times 3. 3, 6. It's plus. No. 3, 6. No.
So it would be.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18.
So it would be. Is it multiplication or addition?
It's addition.
You guys think? Okay, so look at, if it was times 3, then 3 times 3 equals 6. So it would have to be.
It's times.
It'd have to be addition. Like Katie said, addition. Do you see that?
It's the same thing.
Because if I add 3, it equals 6. And if I add 3 to 6, I get 9. Do you see pattern? So if I add 3 to 15, what's our last number?
18.
Do you see that by Rihanna? Or adding 3?
Can we do work on 4? I don't get it.
You don't get it? Okay, we're looking, yeah, you can do the work on your board. Okay, so we're looking at the numbers are getting bigger, and we said they're getting bigger by 3.
Okay.
So are we adding or multiplying? 'Cause we're getting-
Adding.
Adding, yeah. So we keep on going, and this would be adding 3. So we're finding our rule.
Okay.
Remember how it normally says it? So to get here, then that's adding 3. So now to get to our last number, we have to add 3. So what's 15 plus 3?
We don't. 18. Everyone, I know. 18.
All right, next time I'll have you guys give me a thumbs up. All right. Give me a thumbs up if you understand. We're going to do more of them, so we got plenty of
I
practice.
kind of.
All right, so what's the rule for this one? Am I getting bigger or smaller? Oh, good luck. Am I getting bigger or smaller?
Bigger?
How many am I getting bigger by?
By 14. Bigger by 14. Yeah, 14.
So I would then add 14 and see if that's
Okay,
the answer you get.
So let's add 14. So what's 4 plus 4?
8.
What's 1 plus 1?
2.
Did we get to the number?
No, so it's multiplying.
It's multiplying by what?
By 14.
No, you'd
Well,
have way
the
too big.
multiplying would be even bigger.
Mine
Should we try to add a different type of number? What can get us?
So you subtract 14. 14 is equal to 24.
If we subtracted 14 by 14,
Then we got to
it would.
I would count up from 14.
Okay, let's count up from 14. So 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. How many did I add?
10.
So if I add 10 to 24, I get
Count
2.
by again.
Alright, so we get 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34. So do you guys see the pattern?
What should?
And so if we did it again for 34, it would be 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Do you see how it's adding by 10? So what would be our last number in our rule if we did 64 plus 10?
This is really
64 plus 10. Give me a thumbs up when you got it.
I thought it was a present.
That's right. Give me a thumbs up. Yep, we're finding the next number. So give me a thumbs up when you got it. And everybody all together, what's our answer?
74.
Good job.
Hey guys, please keep your voices off.
It's just like 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah. Yeah, because just
And we're adding 10, right?
And then you just need to add 4.
So we found the rule, and our rule is adding 10. All right. Okay, so remember yesterday we had patterns? Remember when we need to find that core? So if the pattern continues, how will it go?
Me too.
All right.
Can we draw?
Yep, draw the next pattern of how it would continue to go.
Hey guys, voices off.
So what's the core of our pattern? Is it square, star, star? Does it go square, star, square, star?
No, it goes square, star, star, circle.
So if it kept on going, we would have square,
Star, star,
circle.
circle.
Yeah. Good job. You all got that. All right, this is the growing shape. So if we start with 2, and you see how it's growing, what will the last shape look like? I'm sorry.
6.
So the next one will have.
That one, how many? We have to say count by 2.
Yep.
4, 6, 8.
Does yours have 8? Yours. Yep. Just yours. Yep, that's where you can. So how many will our last square have? If we have 2, 4.
6, 8.
Yep. Good job. Now we're gonna start our worksheet. And this one's going to be like what we reviewed. It's going to be finding the pattern. So let's do the first one together because it's a little bit, because they forgot a space. Alright, so if I have 2, 4, and we forgot the extra space, so space, comma, space, 6, or 10.
Are we gonna put an extra space?
That's why you're doing it together by Rihanna.
Yep, that's why we're doing it together. So we're going to try to find the rule, but they left out a couple numbers. So it's 2, 4.
6, 8.
Does it make sense?
10, 12, 14.
So what are we adding by?
2. I want to split the other.
Do you see how it's getting bigger by 2s?
Where's 2? I split mine in half.
Yep. So right in the pattern rule, that's why we did it together, because they forgot the extra space
Just split
on
it
the
in half.
worksheet.
Just put a line. Yeah, for the slash. No, put the line in half. Yeah, that's what I do.
So for the pattern rule, our pattern rule is,
The pattern rule is add 2.
yep, all right, let's look at the next one.
Whoa. 6, 12.
So it's 6, 12,
Comma 24. Comma. Space, space.
space.
No, 2. Oh, yeah.
You did the first 2
Do we
together.
write 2 in for
But I'd like you, and if you did it right,
What'd you say?
What do we write?
Oh, Byron said add 2. So our rule is we're adding 2 to get bigger. All right, so let's look at, is this number getting bigger or smaller? How many is it getting bigger by?
10.
It's getting